Hi, it's Mrs. Edwards. This week we're going to start writing and we're going to need some paper choices. All of these choices are on Blackboard 24/7, but if you don't have access to a printer, you can also make them very, very easily at home. So the kinds of paper that we're going to make today are list paper, writing paper, and planning paper. And if we make lots and lots and lots of writing paper, we can turn that paper into a book. So all we need to do this are a couple simple tools. We need some regular paper, a marker of some sort, or a pencil, anything to write with, and a scissors. So the first type of paper that we're going to do is list paper. The list paper that we use at school, we have used mostly to make lists of friends, ingredients for food. You can encourage your kids to help you with the shopping list, and they can use a paper that's like this. So in kindergarten, a lot of us are representing our thinking by drawing pictures. So we want place for the kids to draw their pictures and then a space for them to write their words. And we want to kind of do that over and over and over again. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Another kind of paper that we use at school is writing paper. This is really easy to differentiate for your kids depending on how much they are writing and how much they are drawing. So for a lot of us, what we're doing is we're drawing one picture and we're writing a sentence to go with it. So we use a really large drawing box here because most of the way that we're telling our story is through pictures. So we need a nice big space to draw our pictures, and then down here we're going to just go ahead and draw 2 lines for us to do our sentence, picture, words. So writing paper. If you know that you have a child who likes to write a lot and is writing more sentences, you can just shrink the size of this picture box and add some extra lines for writing down here. Another easy way to do that is to hold your paper this way and do about half the page with a drawing box and the rest of the page down here with some writing lines. And they don't have to be perfect. The last type of paper that we're going to do is a planning paper. This one is the one that we're probably going to use our scissors for, although you wouldn't really have to. So we use this paper when we're planning out something that we want to put into a book, when it's something that has multiple events or a sequence of something. So one of the things that we're going to do this week is a how-to book. And when your kids make a how-to story, it's going to have steps to it. So all you do is make a large rectangle across the paper like this, and then you divide that into how much ever events they have or sequences, steps in their process. So if it's a 3-step story, you just divide it like this. They tell a 4-step story. Split it in the middle and 2 spaces like that. It's actually easy to hear the kids tell their story first and then figure out how many parts or sentences are in their story. We use scissors for this one because when we cut it like this, it kind of creates that comic strip idea for them and helps them to kind of think of their story as a linear thing. When we're starting out, we're really encouraging the kids, and where we want the kids to get with their storytelling and writing in kindergarten is to have a beginning, a middle, and an ending to our story. Okay, for this one, you'll notice there's no writing lines because we're just planning out what's going to be part of our story. So it's picture, picture, picture. Sometimes we might add words like first, next, last, or in the beginning, and then finally.